Today I'm going to talk about the best natural smell. The best natural smell. Guys, if you haven't lived in Africa or in rocky places or rocky places, very hot, where there's very hot weather, what I'm going to describe here, I don't know if I'll be able to describe it. The best ever natural smell is the smell of a rock. Just when the rain about to begin. I don't know if I've just explained it. There's a smell that is produced by rocks. If you live in rocky areas, that smell, when the first rains just come on it, the rock will be so bent. When the sun hits the rock for hours and then thunderstorms come, just the first rains, when the first rains hit that rock, that smell, I can't describe it. The only way for you to understand this smell is to go. You can go to where I come from, Zimbabwe or somewhere in Africa, where there's rocky, where there's big rocks, like rock, and just stand there. And before it rains, that's the best natural smell you'll ever. If you love nature, you will agree with me.